This beautiful Fairview Ash rectangle counter height table set offers a mix of unique and natural styling to create a stately farmhouse appeal. This collection was crafted from solid ash, known for strength and durability, with a tasteful herringbone tabletop design and beautiful scrolling detailed base that seamlessly blends trendy sophistication with down-home comfort. The stools feature nail head trim on the beautifully upholstered chairs. The 36-inch counter height dining table seats from 6 up to 8 comfortably, with its 78-inch length with leaf and 60 inches with the 18-inch leaf removed. This table offers plenty of room for even the largest of family get-togethers and is available with up to 8 stools. A matching server is also available with door storage and drawers for storing linens and other items. The table measures a full 78 inches in length with the leaf and 60 inches with the leaf removed. The tabletop is 42 inches deep with a height of 36 inches. The server measures 54 inches wide with a depth of 18 inches and a height of 32 inches. Come in today and you'll see just how unique this collection is and why it remains a top seller.